Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 power n plus 1 equals negative 25. We are solving for the value of n that satisfies this equation. Now, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So applying this right here, I have 5 power n times 5 power 1 equals negative 25. I can divide this by 5. Divide this by 5. 5 eliminates 5. I have 5 power n equals negative 25 divided by 5, that is negative 5. So from here, I can express negative 5 as product of negative 1 and 5. I have 5 power n equals negative 1 times 5. I can then apply natural log. I have natural log of 5 power n equals natural log of negative 1 times 5. If you have natural log of a times b equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. Applying this right here, I will have natural log of 5 power n equals natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 5. If you also have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. Applying this right here, I have n times natural log of 5 equals natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 5. Now what we are going to do again will be to consider this identity. If you have e power I times pi plus 1, this equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals negative 1. Applying this right here, I'm simply going to have n times natural log of 5 equals natural log of e power I times pi plus natural log of 5, right? Because we just substituted negative 1 with e power I times pi. So we go back to the same identity. You have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. That means I times pi will come behind this of n times natural log of 5 equals I times pi times natural log of e plus natural log of 5. And from here, natural log of e cancel out. So what I'm going to have will be n times natural log of 5 equals I times pi plus natural log of 5. So from here, what I'm going to do will be to solve for n by dividing this by natural log of 5 and dividing this by natural log of 5. So from here, this cancel this. I simply have n equals I times pi plus natural log of 5 divided by natural log of 5. So by dividing by the common denominator, I have n equals I times pi divided by natural log of 5 plus natural log of 5 divided by natural log of 5. So right now, I have n equals I times pi divided by natural log of 5 plus 1, because this cancels this. And this is our answer based on this particular method of solving. Now let's consider it when we use another version of I or another version of negative 1. Remember, the question is 5 power n plus 1 equals negative 25. So what I'm going to do will be to apply the same identity again. This is 5 power n times 5 power 1 equals negative 25. Remember the identity. You have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So from here, we divide by 5. We divide by 5. This cancels this. I have 5 power n equals this is negative 5. So from here, I can have 5 power n equals this negative 5, simply negative 1 times 5. Now this time around, I'll make use of this. Remember, square root of negative 1 equals I. If you take the squares, I'll put part of this equation up. This cancel this, we have negative 1 equals I power 2. So this, we replace it with I power 2. That means we'll simply have 5 power n equals I power 2 times 5. Then what next to do is to apply natural log of 5 power n equals natural log of I power 2 times 5. So consider this. If you have natural log of a power p, this equals b times natural log of a. If you also have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So from here, applying this identity here, we have n times natural log of 5 equals natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 5. And applying this right here, we have n natural log of 5, that is n times natural log of 5 equals 2 times natural log of 5 plus natural log of 5. So right now, isolating n, we divide this by natural log of 5, divide this by natural log of 5, this cancel this, simply have n equals 2 times natural log of 5 plus natural log of 5 divided by natural log of 5. So from here, have n equals 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 5 plus natural log of 5 divided by natural log of 5. So from here, is cancel this, have n equals 2 times natural log of 5 divided by natural log of 5 plus 1. Then we have this here. If you observe, we have 2 times natural log of I. And we also have I times pi. So we can easily say that 2 times natural log of I equals I times pi. And if this and this are the same, that means the both solutions are obviously very correct. Depending on the method you want to use, if you want to use square root of negative 1 equals I, or you want to use this one, negative 1 equals I power 2, or you want to use this one, e power I times pi equals negative 1. So anyone, that is it.